Hi everyone, I will show you how to go hide likes on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to the profile. Now tap the three lines on the top right, then tap the setting and privacy. Scroll down, tap the hide likes icon, tap to turn this setting on. Now go back. Now you can see the views likes count are going to hides. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.